Hi guys, in this video I show you how to use the dictation feature and the optional auto punctuation on Windows 11. It's very easy, so let's start. First, create a new Word document or any text document on your desktop. For example, this simple text document. Double click to open and then let's make it big to see it better. First, click on the Windows logo button on your keyboard and then click on H. So this small window is opening. It's already starting to recognizing my voice and my microphone, as you can see here. And yes, let's stop it and delete it. First, we are going to the settings. Usually, if you start this the first time, the automatic punctuation is turned off like this. So if I'm gonna talk, hello, how are you guys? You will see there's no punctuation, no dots or comma, no question mark. Let's stop it. Go to settings again, turn on and start the voice. Start the voice typing again. You can see also can use this Windows button and H again. Let's try it. Let's go. So hello guys, welcome to this video. Okay, you see? So hello guys, welcome to this video. It's repeating again, yeah. But the comma is here, the dot is here. Let's ask something. Hello, how are you? Yes, we have the question mark here. Perfect. Let's stop it. And yes, guys, this is how you use the dictation feature in Windows 11. I think it's very useful. It's working pretty fine if you're near enough to your microphone and if you're speaking very clear and loudly, then it should work very fine, guys. You can also change your language on your system language. Like at the moment I have the English United States, but I can switch to German. So it's starting to speak German. Let's try it. Hallo, wie geht es dir? You can see it's working. If I change to English and speaking like the other language, yeah, it's also recognizing, but it's sometimes mixing. It's not working pretty fine. So be sure that your system language is correct. Guys, thank you for watching. See you next time.